recent Bangalore case that has happened?
हाँ, आई एम अवेयर एंड बहुत बुरा लगता है जब ऐसा होता है कि आज के टाइम पे हम इतने मॉडर्न हो रहे हैं बट फिर भी हम इतने पिछड़े हुए हैं. इट्स वेरी सैड.
I feel it is. I'm very ashamed to be a part of such a society where women are always targeted. And I mean, New Year is like something to be happy about and to set resolutions for the next year. You don't want to be doing that on a New Year's Eve. You should be happy. You should spread happiness. This should not happen.
Where the girl is not kind of being safe. She is kind of trying to protect herself, but then again they just drop her down. And what kind of safety do women have?
Actually, I saw that on FB post. Actually, that was really ridiculous. I posted also that. It's like in the comments that people were giving like about clothes and all. I'm like, there are so many guys also like roaming in half pants and all that. Do girls do that, like molesting a boy and saying, oh my god, your legs are looking so sexy? No, na. Then clothes doesn't matter, I think.
फिर लड़के ने सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए कुछ तो सीखना चाहिए अपने आप पे, और कुछ वो डिवाइसेस हो गए कुछ ऐसे, तो उसकी जानकारी कर लेनी चाहिए. और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लड़कों ने अपनी एटीट्यूड चेंज करनी चाहिए कि लड़की को देखा और उससे बस हो गया कि इट इज़ इजीली अवेलेबल. So that way they should change their.
I mean, we are just saying that we are just blaming molesters, but there were people also who were just looking at it and just avoided, didn't do anything. So probably people also should come to rescue in such situations.
So do you feel safe in Mumbai?
Not every time, but yeah, but because of the work or something you have to be out and travel and all. So it's just that use the safer way. Maybe nowadays Ubers are available rather than searching for auto on at night or cabs. Just wherever you are, stay there, call for Uber and then you are gone. And
या लोग सोचते हैं, बट हाँ अगर कंपैरेटिवली कहे कि मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई एम सेफ इन मुंबई.
Yes, I do feel safe in Mumbai as compared to Bangalore, because earlier I used to feel that Bangalore is a much safer state because my friends live there.
Than any other city in India, I think Mumbai's nightlife is probably safer for women than other cities. Yeah, for Mumbai they are safer, I think.
When we talk about this Bangalore case or any other case, even I am a girl, even I feel really bad seeing all of these. But for all the girls out there, I would just like to suggest to you all that I personally have joined self-defense classes, and it's really going to help me, I know, because as you see, I go take street interviews and मैं streets पे ऐसे ही चले जाती हूँ, या मेरी late traveling hours भी होते हैं, तो मुझे अपनी security के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करना होगा. So girls out there, my sympathies, my love, everything all with you, and I would just say that please do something for yourself, secure yourself, protect yourself, because nobody is going to do that for you.